Today, I'm going to ask the artificial intelligence about the highest paying mechanical engineering jobs. If you are a mechanical engineer, I'm sure you are interested. By the end of this video, I'm also going to ask the artificial intelligence to provide me a step-by-step guide to get jobs. Keep watching. Before I get started, let me remind you, Royal Mechanical enables mechanical engineers to start and excel in their careers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Thanks. Welcome back. Let's ask the artificial intelligence about the highest paid mechanical engineering jobs. Let's chat with ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a chatbot powered by artificial intelligence with which you can have human-like conversations. Open your Chrome browser, search for ChatGPT. Click on the website of ChatGPT, chat.openai.com. If you have a ChatGPT account, you can log in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. I already have a ChatGPT account, so I am going to log in. This is how the ChatGPT chat box looks like. There is a sidebar which you can hide. First, let's ask what is artificial intelligence. In one sentence, please explain what is artificial intelligence. So ChatGPT replies, artificial intelligence is a field of computer science focused on creating systems and machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. In simple words, artificial intelligence is a computer program which has human-like intelligence. Now let's ask what is ChatGPT in one sentence. Please explain what is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT explains about itself. ChatGPT is an AI powered, that is artificial intelligence powered conversational model developed by OpenAI, designed to engage in text-based conversations and provide response that mimic human-like language understanding and generation. In simple words, ChatGPT is a chatbot with which you can have human-like conversation in natural language modes. So now let's get into the core of our interest. Let's ask now let's get into the topic of our interest. Let's ask ChatGPT. I am a mechanical engineer. Please list all the high paying mechanical engineering jobs. Let's add core. High paying core mechanical engineering jobs. So we have the answer. High paying core mechanical engineering jobs often include aerospace engineer, petroleum engineer, nuclear engineer, robotics, automotive, biomedical, power plant, marine, HVAC, process, structural, materials, control systems, renewable energy, and machine learning in mechanical applications. So these are the high paying core mechanical engineering jobs. Let's have a detailed look. Aerospace engineer, designing and developing of aircraft. Petroleum engineer, focusing on the extraction of oil and gas resources. Nuclear engineer, works with nuclear energy and radiation systems. Robotics engineer, design and programming of robots. Automotive engineer, design and improving vehicles and their systems. Biomedical, creating medical devices. Power plant engineer, managing and optimizing energy production facilities. Marine engineer, designing and maintaining ships and maritime systems. HVAC engineer, specializing in HVAC. Process, focusing on optimizing manufacturing processes. Structural engineer, designing and analyzing structures like bridges and buildings. Materials engineer, developing new materials. Control systems engineer, designing and implementing automated control systems. Renewable engineer, working on sustainable energy solutions. Machine learning, applying artificial intelligence and machine learning to mechanical engineering tasks, which is a growing field. Now, if we closely observe, aerospace engineer, responsible for designing and developing aircraft, spacecraft, or related systems. Again, robotics engineer, designing and programming robots. Automotive engineer, designing and improving vehicles. Biomedical engineer, creating, that is, designing medical devices. Marine engineer, designing and maintaining ships. Again, structural engineer, designing. Control systems engineer, again, designing. So, design, mechanical engineering design is a skill which gets you a high paying job. Let's ask ChatGPT. Looks like if I acquire mechanical design engineering, let's put mechanical design skills, I can get a high paying job. Let's wait what ChatGPT is going to answer. Absolutely. Acquiring mechanical design skills can open up high paying job opportunities in various industries. That's what ChatGPT is telling. So now, as we all are aware, skills are very essential to get any job. Now, if it is going to be mechanical engineering design, we need to understand what kind of skills are essential to become a mechanical design engineer. Let's ask ChatGPT. Please list all the relevant skills that are essential to become a mechanical design engineer. Okay, so now we have the list of all essential skills to become a mechanical design engineer. First thing is, okay, so many skills. Technical skills. Now, ChatGPT, that is artificial intelligence, okay, is asking or is telling us a mechanical engineer should require technical skills and soft skills. What kind of technical skills are essential? CAD proficiency. So, a mechanical design engineer should have CAD proficiency, that is, the engineer should be capable of designing using CAD softwares like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA, Pro Engineer, and many other softwares. And then the engineer should also have engineering knowledge, mathematics and physics, 3D modeling again related to CAD, finite element analysis, technical drawing and blueprint reading, material selection. Of course, when you are designing a system, a system will have many components, and components you need to select material to design those components. Prototyping and testing. Once you design, you will have to create or generate prototypes and then test them to check the functionality. And then manufacturing processes, very important. See, artificial intelligence, okay, is really intelligent. So these are the list of technical skills. Soft skills: problem solving, creativity, attention to detail, communication, project management, critical thinking, teamwork, adaptability, time management, ethical awareness, and continuous learning. Very, very important. Last but not the least, continuous learning. So these are the skills that are very essential for a mechanical engineer to become a mechanical design engineer. Now, what we will do is, now if you are a fresh mechanical engineer, it is always very tough to get a job without experience. So let's ask ChatGPT what suggestion it has. I am a fresh mechanical engineer. A fresh mechanical engineer. Please tell me how to gain relevant experience. Experience to get mechanical design engineer's job. How to gain experience when you are a fresher? That's the question. So let's wait for the answer. ChatGPT is thinking. So gaining relevant experience as a fresh mechanical engineer to secure a mechanical engineering job is essential. It's very essential. Experience is very essential. So what you can do? You can take up internships. You can take up entry level positions. You can also do personal projects. You can also take up some online courses and certifications, networking with industry professionals, volunteering, build an online portfolio, and then many other ways. Apply for entry level design positions in organizations and continuous learning. So, topmost is internship. You need to take up relevant internships. That's what I would like to tell. If you want to become a mechanical design engineer, then you should take up design internships. And before I forget, let me remind you, Royal Mechanical has a free internship program, 1 month online internship on press tool design. Thousands of engineers have enrolled for this online internship program, which is free, and hundreds of them have got free certificate, and they are all benefited. If you are interested, I will leave the link of this Royal Mechanical free internship program in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it. So now we are aware that we need skills to become a mechanical design engineer, and then there are many ways to acquire experience even when you are a fresh mechanical engineer. Now let's ask the final question, which is the essence of this video. I am a fresh mechanical engineer. Please write me a step by step guide or approach to get a mechanical design engineering job in the industry. So I have asked ChatGPT to write a step-by-step guide to get a mechanical design engineer's job in the industry. So here is the step-by-step guide. Okay, looks like there are many steps. 17 steps, my God. Okay, let's have a closer look. Set clear goals and objectives. So, determine a specific industry or a field you want to work, such as automotive or aerospace or any other sector. So, the first thing is to set some expectations. Do you want to get into the automotive industry as a designer, or the aerospace industry, or any other industry like industrial automation? I mean, you can become a design engineer in many industries. So, set your goals and objectives. Then you prepare your resume. Of course, all of you are aware a well built resume is very essential for you to get the call for interview. In addition to resume preparation, you should also have a portfolio developed where you showcase your design projects and design internships, which is relevant actually. Then you need to network with industry professionals. Online presence, you should have your profile on LinkedIn and other job portals, prominent job portals. Then you need to keep applying for entry level positions. Not just applying, you should also prepare for the interviews. You should research the companies, apply for internship programs, and then take up some online courses which will give you design skills. Prepare for technical tests. You see many companies, okay, when they have to hire fresh mechanical engineers, okay, they would give a tool test. For example, they would ask you to create a 3D model in CATIA, or they would ask you to create a 3D model in Pro Engineer. So that would be the tool test. There would be technical tests. And then you should also demonstrate soft skills, okay, during the interview. Once the interview is over, you should also follow up with the recruiter or the company. And then this is not going to be an easy task. It's going to be a tough task. So you should be persistent. The other thing is you should also consider relocation. Many times you might not get a mechanical design engineer's job in your hometown. You might want to relocate to a place where the company is located. And then you should stay informed, and then you should seek feedback from the recruiters. If at all, if you are not getting selected, seek feedback and then continuously improve upon until you achieve your goal. So remember that landing your first mechanical design engineering job may take time and patience, but with determination, a strong skill set, and well executed job search strategy, you can increase your chance of success. So, the artificial intelligence has told that mechanical design is a skill which can get you a high paying job. Artificial intelligence has also suggested technical skills and soft skills that are very essential to become a mechanical design engineer. And also, artificial intelligence, that is ChatGPT, has given us a step by step guide to become a mechanical design engineer. What I have done is I have documented this entire step by step guide to get mechanical engineering jobs. I have uploaded this document, that is ebook, to my website www.royal-mechanical.com. I will leave the link in this video's description box. You can download and then keep it handy for your future reference. If you like this video, do share this with your mechanical engineering friends and colleagues. Thanks.